In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Grammarly report. By the end, you'll confidently save a clean, shareable copy of your work right from Grammarly, perfect for submitting, archiving, or sending to a collaborator. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Grammarly and press Enter. From the results, click the official Grammarly website to open your account dashboard. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in. Go ahead and do that so you can access your documents. Once you're in, look for the report or document you want to download. This could be in your recent files or a specific project area. Take a moment to confirm the title so you're working with the right file. When you find it, hover over the document and look to the right side for the three dots, often called the More or Options menu. Click those three dots, then select Download. This is a quick way to grab a copy directly from the document card without opening it first. If you want to be absolutely certain you're downloading the correct report, click the document to open it and review the contents. This quick check helps you avoid saving the wrong file, especially if you have multiple drafts with similar names. With the document open, look toward the top center of the page for another set of three dots. This is the In-Document Options menu. Click those dots to reveal more actions. From the menu, choose Print and Export. You'll see several export choices. Select Export to PDF to generate a polished, fixed layout version of your report that preserves formatting and is easy to share. Next, click Export to confirm. Grammarly will begin preparing your PDF. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your document, this may take a moment, so sit tight and let it process. When the file is ready, your browser will either automatically download it to your default downloads folder or ask where you'd like to save it. If prompted, pick a clear location and give the file a recognizable name so you can find it later. Once the download finishes, open the PDF to double-check everything looks right: headings, text, and page breaks. If anything needs adjustment, you can return to your document, make changes, and repeat the export. That's all there is to it. You've downloaded your Grammarly report and saved a professional copy you can share with confidence.